Not give your CBD product that we ingest as human beings to the dogs. There is a special formula that has been created so that it is pet friendly, and that's the key difference. Is we make sure that what we mix with our CBD whole plant hemp extract um, is going to be easily ingestible by the pets. We have three different strengths of pet products, one for small, medium, and large dogs. And each of the different bottles give you a dosage that's required for basically the weight of the pet. Um, our pet CBD products are not recommended for any pets below 1 pound. Just expand on that. The stories that we've heard on how CBD has helped individual pet owners see improvements in their pets is just incredible.